Good morning, class 7th. So we have finished the lesson They Excel in the Army 2 yesterday. I have explained you all the lesson and now we have to start with the exercise part, comprehension part. And this time I want you to do this question answer part yourself. I will discuss, I will tell you where you can find the answer and you will have to manage it yourself. Then afterwards, if you are not able to write the answers, then I will send you the image. So the question number 1 is, why do women think of the armed forces as a good career option? Why do women think? उनको ऐसा women को क्यों लगता है कि armed forces उनके लिए अच्छा career option है? So here, this is here. In the beginning of the lesson, it is written that increasingly women are viewing the armed forces as a good career choice. Why? One reason can be, the reasons can be varied, means the reasons can be diverse. It could be that either they have some family member, father, brother or other male kin in the armed forces, they already have, or either they fancy themselves in that military uniform. या फिर वो एक रीजन तो ये भी हो सकता है कि उनके फादर मदर या कोई मेल किन है फैमिली में, फैमिली के आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में. सेकेंड रीजन कैन बी दैट दे फैंसी देमसेल्व्स, दैट दिस यूनिफॉर्म चार्म देमसेल्फ, उनको अपनी तरफ खींचती है, अट्रैक्ट करती है. दे फैंसी देमसेल्व्स इन दिस ओलिव ग्रीन यूनिफॉर्म. और इट कैन बी, द थर्ड रीजन कैन बी द रिस्पेक्ट. दे सी दैट द सोल्जर्स, whatever respect and command they get, that can be the another factor also in choosing this armed forces as a career option. So there are 3 points. First one, either they fancy, the second one, and this is the third point of the first answer. So you have to write at least 3 points. So that is why they think that women think of armed forces as a good career option. Where do selected women go in for the training course? Where do they go? These selected go in for a 9-month training course at the Officers Training Academy in Chennai. So this is the second answer. The selected candidates go in for the 9-month training course at the Officers Training Academy in Chennai. Third, why do male officers feel about the entry of women in the armed forces? What do they think? Male officers कैसा feel करते हैं अगर वहाँ पे women आ जाती हैं? This is also here. You can find this answer here. Senior male officers add that the feminine touch greatly benefits. Means बीच में अगर females आ जाती हैं तो ये उनके लिए beneficial है. Greatly benefits the male dominated forces. So they will feel good if the feminine touch is given to that. It benefits them with their high degree of sincerity and diligence, because they think that females, ladies or the women are very sincere and diligent candidates for this field. They make for the excellent team players, और वो बहुत बढ़िया team players भी बनती हैं, बहुत sincere होती हैं और diligent होती हैं, means they do their duty very well. So, senior male officers think that it will be of great benefit if women enter this. How do the armed forces help women to lead a happy life? Yes. How can you say? What points do you have that make that armed forces help the women to lead a happy life? Now here, they are getting so much of allowances and many other things. That is why they think that. First one is, the armed forces offer women a very good life. They get furnished accommodation, then they get the medical cover, leave travel concession, 60 days leaves with a 20-day casual leave also. They are entitled the ration supply, canteen, officer mess facility B membership they get, and they get the insurance cover also up to 10 lakhs. Transport and other allowances are also given to them. So all this make a very attractive package. तो ये सब मिला के उनका जो पैकेज है बहुत बढ़िया बन जाता है. इसीलिए दे थिंक दैट द आर्म्ड फोर्सेस हेल्प द वुमेन टू लीड अ हैप्पी लाइफ. सो दीज आर द रीजंस. हियर यू विल गेट द फोर्थ आंसर. From here you will get the third answer. From here you will get the fourth. And the last one is, how do women look at the career in the armed forces? So women, how do they look? क्या उनको लगता है? Last. The limited tenure of the service does put some aspirants off. जो इनका सर्विस का टेन्योर होता है ना बच्चे, एक पीरियड होता है ये जॉब लेने का. मीन्स आप इस पीरियड से ज्यादा इस जॉब को नहीं ले सकते. मीन सपोज 10 साल है या 15 साल है या 20 साल है, इसके बाद आपको वहां से रिटायरमेंट लेनी पड़ती है. तो बस एक यही इनका एक लिमिटेड, जहां पे उनको लगता है कि ये ठीक नहीं है, लिमिटेड टेन्योर है, सर्विस का टाइम है. इसलिए थोड़े से जो एस्पायरेंट्स हैं, एस्पायरेंट्स होते हैं द वन हु आर डिजायरस ऑफ दैट थिंग, जो चाहते हैं करना. तो ये चीज उनके लिए सिर्फ पीछे जाती है. अदरवाइज दे सी दैट आर्म्ड फोर्सेस, यहां से लिखेंगे आप, यहां से आएगा फिफ्थ वाला. They see the armed forces as a way to acquire management skills and stepping stone to a varied career options. This is answer number 5. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि आर्म्ड फोर्सेस अगर हम करियर चूज करते हैं तो वो हमारे लिए स्टेपिंग स्टोन टू वेरिड करियर ऑप्शंस है, कि इससे हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स सीखते हैं इस करियर से. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है लास्ट में, देखो, दैट वी लर्न, वी एक्वायर मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स एंड इट सर्व्स एज अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन टू अ वेरिड करियर ऑप्शंस. मीन्स ये हमारे लिए आगे दूसरे कैरियर्स के लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा फायदेमंद रहता है, क्योंकि हम इस कैरियर में इतना कुछ सीख लेते हैं जो हमारे आगे काम आता है. फाइंड द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट विच मीन द फॉलोइंग. सो हियर आर द वर्ड्स एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड इट फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. इनके मीनिंग आपको टेक्स्ट में मिल जाएंगे, तो वो आपने खुद ही ढूंढ के यहाँ लिखने हैं. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आपसे पूछूंगी. राइट द वर्ब फॉर्म ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. यहाँ पे हमें इनके वर्ब फॉर्म बनाने हैं. लाइक अट्रैक्शन, इसका हमारा वर्ब बन जाएगा अट्रैक्ट. एडवर्टाइजमेंट, एडवर्टाइज. अकोमोडेशन, अकोमोडेट. रिक्रूट, रिक्रूटमेंट का बन जाएगा. ऑप्शनल, ऑप्शन. मैनेजमेंट, मैनेज. सो दीज are the nouns and here we have changed them into the verb form. Now we come to the language skills. Read the following sentences. The armed forces put out advertisements twice a year in March and September. Here this is the preposition used. So the preposition here used, it shows the, in shows the time, means कौन से टाइम में वो एडवर्टाइज करते हैं. तो आपको टाइम पता चल रहा है कि मार्च और सितंबर में वो 2 बार एडवर्टाइज करते हैं, तो इससे आपको पता चल रहा है टाइम. सो इट इज द preposition ऑफ टाइम. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट वेदर द फॉलोइंग prepositions shows टाइम और प्लेस. राइट इन ब्लैंक स्पेसेस. आपको ये बताना है ये सेंटेंसेस रीड करके कि ये कौन सा preposition है, प्लेस या टाइम का. मैरी टुक अ बुक फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी. From where she has taken the book? From the library. So you come to know about the place from where she has taken the book. So it is telling you about the place. This car is made in India. Where it is made? In India. So you know about the place. So again it is a preposition of place. The street is noisy during the day. When is street noisy? It is telling you about the time. During the day. Street जो है noisy होती है, तो it is telling you about the time. Send in your answers by the 30th January. Now, in this sentence, it is giving you the time by 30th January. आपको अपने answers भेजने हैं, तो means again it is a time. It is telling you about the time. We stayed in a hotel by the sea. So, by the sea, where you stayed? By the sea means it is telling you again about the place where you stayed. There is a tree besides the house. Where is the tree? It is besides the house. Means बिल्कुल घर के पास है. तो वो क्या हुआ? Place बता रहा है आपको. So when we will read about the prepositions, there I will tell you in detail. But here I have just told you in brief. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions in and on. We listen to the news on the radio. We never say in the radio. We listen to the news on the radio. I do lots of work in my computer. I do lots of work in my computer or on my computer. Tell me which one is the right. I think it will. I do lots of my work in my computer. The tiger is in danger. Here in will come. John is in difficulties these days. Here again in will come. We are going on holidays soon. We never say in holidays. Holidays पर जा रहे हैं, छुट्टी पर जा रहे हैं, तो here we use on. David is dash the school football team. David school football team में है means in. Here in will come. Now the next is we have to write the plurals of the following words. Army. Here the Y will be omitted and IES लग जाएगा. Armies. Story. Here ये दूसरी स्टोरी है, आपकी कहानी वाली स्टोरी नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे यही स्पेलिंग आएंगे इसके. ये ओनली S will be added here because this is not स्टोरी, कहानी वाली नहीं है, ये है डबल स्टोरी, ट्रिपल स्टोरी. घर होते हैं जैसे बिल्डिंग होती है, ये वो वाली स्टोरी है, तो यहाँ पे S ऐसे लगेगा. एक्टिविटी, एक्टिविटीज IES लगेगा, यहाँ पे Y कट जाएगा. टेरिटरीज. Here again Y will be omitted and IES लग जाएगा यहाँ पे. वैली, वैली में यहाँ Y के साथ S ही लगता है. फैक्ट्री, फैक्ट्रीज IES लगेगा बच्चे यहाँ पे भी. So in this way we have transformed these singular forms into the plural forms. This is a very basic thing. We do this thing in the number and gender. So that is in the way change the number which you used to do in the noun chapter. The words beginning with C can be pronounced with K sound as in commission. Yes, we speak commission. So it is starting with the sound K, commission, or S sound like in cycle, circus. Circus, cycle, these start with the sound S, sir. And some words starting with the C, they start with the sound K, K. Not K, say K. It's K sound and it is S sound. Now read aloud the following words and put them in the columns according to the K or S sound. Now you will read. Read with me. Canteen. So which sound is coming? K. So you will write here canteen. Curtain. Again K sound. Curtain. It will come here. Cotton. Again K sound. Here. Circus. It will come in this column. Career. This way. Seize. Here. Collapse. K sound. Here. Centenary. S sound. Here. Census. S. Custom. Custom. Here in the K. Cylinder. S sound. corpse, K sound. Certain, S sound. Calendar, K sound. Yeah. Certificate, S. Concession, K sound. Yeah. So you will write according to their sound. Those who are starting with the K sound, you will write here. Those starting with the S sound, you will write here.